Are you ready to take control of your health and fitness in 2023? Do you want to look and feel your best, both physically and mentally? If the answer is yes, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our top tips and strategies to help you achieve your best shape in 2023, whether you're a teenager or an adult. We'll cover everything from exercise and nutrition to mental wellness and self-discipline, so that you can build a healthy lifestyle that lasts. When it comes to working out, there are countless options to choose from. Whether it's lifting weights at the gym or doing cardio exercises, find something that you enjoy and can commit to. Start with a workout plan that suits your level of fitness and gradually increase the intensity over time. I would like to recommend martial arts. Not only does martial arts help you build strength, flexibility, and endurance, but it also provides numerous mental benefits, including improved discipline and focus. Martial arts also teaches you important fighting skills, which can help boost your confidence and self-esteem. When grocery shopping, make a list of healthy foods you need, and stick to it. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and drinks, and aim to cook most of your meals at home. Proper nutrition is essential to support your fitness goals and help you achieve your desired body composition. Make sure you're getting enough protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Aim to include plenty of fruits and vegetables in your diet, and avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Drinking enough water throughout the day is also important for maintaining good health. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and avoid sugary drinks. Improving your self-discipline is also an essential part of building a healthy lifestyle. Regularly reading books, setting achievable goals, and creating a routine can help you build the self-discipline needed to achieve your goals. Building self-discipline can be a challenging but essential part of achieving your fitness goals. To help you stay motivated and on track, here are some tips to increase your self-discipline. Start small and build up gradually. Trying to make too many changes at once can be overwhelming and lead to failure. Instead, focus on 1 or 2 small habits that you can commit to and build from there. 2. Hold yourself accountable. Set goals and deadlines for yourself, and make sure to track your progress. This can help you stay motivated and on track. 3. Create a routine. Establish a daily routine that incorporates your new habits and stick to it as much as possible. This can help build momentum and make it easier to stay disciplined. Stay mindful. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions, and learn to recognize when you're feeling tempted to slip back into old habits. Practice techniques like meditation or deep breathing to help you stay focused and centered. Taking care of your mental health is also important for being in your best shape. Make time for self-care activities like meditation, yoga, or reading a book. These activities can help you distress and feel more centered. Getting enough rest is vital for maintaining good health. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and try to stick to a consistent sleep schedule. To help you get the quality sleep you need, here are some tips to improve your sleep habits. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is cool, quiet, and dark, and avoid using electronics before bed. Wind down before sleep. Spend at least 30 minutes before bed doing a calming activity, such as reading or taking a warm bath. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Both of these substances can disrupt sleep, so try to avoid them in the hours leading up to bedtime. Use a fitness app or a journal to keep track of your workouts, nutrition, and other health habits. This will help you see your progress over time and motivate you to keep going. In conclusion, being in your best shape is a journey, but it's a journey that's worth taking. By finding a workout routine you enjoy, Focusing on your nutrition and mental health, and tracking your progress, you'll be on your way to feeling powerful and achieving your fitness goals in 2023. And if you want to level up in your life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends and family.